Alright, how's it going, guys? New video today. Today I'm gonna try and put the new wheels on. I did get the side skirts fixed. Just had to do 2 more bolts there. You see they're nice and flat now and they fit flush. I just cleaned the car. I wasn't gonna do the wheels today because my tires didn't come in, but they're here now, so getting a late start to the day, not my favorite. Oh well, let's go pick up the tires. There's our new Street Arrow shift knob I'm trying out for a bit. It's not bad. I actually enjoy it a lot. It's Saturday. Let's get started. Here they are. Federal 595s, 245. That's the wrong size. First things first, let's go pick up these wheels. As long as the guy agrees to trade. I did explain to him that my front wheels have tiny bends in them. Well, I'll try to get a video of that. I don't know how cool the dude will be. He seems chill, but you never know. Some people are like, why are you recording me? I'm like, well, because I started a YouTube channel. I'm trying to get famous. Do you want to subscribe to me? No. Thanks. You really helped my dream. Alright, I gotta stop BSing. Let's get going. Nice little hump it sticker. Alright. Drive into the house now. Let's give this a shot. Built for tough! Oh, yeah. Well, at least that worked. There they are. Where the old Mustang used to sit. Alright. Time to go. I guess I'll text this guy. Get to trading. My bad. I didn't record any of the transaction. Dude's pretty cool. He's got a 5.0 himself. And so here are new wheels. I'll have to get a better video of them once I get situated. Heading home now. I'm excited, man. They're nice. They're all the same size. 18 by 9s or 20 by 9s. Not big offset, no big deal. They clear his Brembos, so they're gonna clear my calipers. And I'm all done for today. Tomorrow I'm going to have them mounted, so that's gonna be like in 5 seconds for you guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't tell if those are Canadian spec. They are Canadian spec, aren't they? Every one of them. Isn't that cool? When are you gonna see that? There's a Mach 1 right there. That's sick. Alright guys, it is I guess day 3 of our extravaganza. Here are the new wheels. I'm not gonna say there's anything really special about them. All they are drift spares to me. And here are our new tires. I ended up going with the Federal 595s. Originally, I ordered these at 245 45R19, and I got them shipped in a 20. So that's a shame, but I always make it work. So I traded my wheels yesterday for these puppies. They're not bad looking. Alright, there's the last tire. Got the other 3 sitting over there. Work just ended, so let's get them mounted. Here they are, all four mounted, all four balanced. I guess I'm all done for today. I'm gonna pack these up, and then tomorrow I will bring my Mustang and we'll get them mounted and balanced. So I'll see you in another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shout out to my buddy Nate. He's got a pretty sick Forester. Just hooked me up with some valve stem caps because I did need them, and they're black. Fancy. I'm gonna recommend something to you guys. What I'm doing to my car is definitely wrong. What I mean by that is, don't rush your build. I didn't want to rush this car at all. It's just kind of how it ended up. Take your time, you know, put a car mod on one at a time and just let it sink in. There's so much more satisfaction than there is right now. Because right now, I've spent a colossal amount of money on my car, and I don't exactly get the time to enjoy it because I'm just in such a rush, like, oh, I gotta get this all put on right now. Yeah, just, you know, enjoy your build, take your time if you got the time. Don't be like me. Alright, day 4. I brought the Mustang. I really didn't want to because it was only like 19 degrees out, but no biggie. Gotta get it racked up. Let's test fit these wheels. I want to take a second to admire the size difference on this dam. So here's my 285 Nitto, and here's the little 245 Federal. Man, it's like a bit of difference. It definitely should be sliding on those. I got the e-brake on right next to them. The fitment's gonna be a little weird. Oh, I know. They're 8.5 compared to the 10.5 I got. Right. Make sure I put that on the wheel. I thought I put it on the wheel. Do you want to set it up right now? Yeah. Yeah, I got it. Look at that. That isn't bad at all. I mean, it's an improvement. Yeah, that's what we like to hear. Ah, man, look at this thing. I like it. Alright, there are the fronts. Not bad. It's not gonna hit anywhere, that's for sure. Nothing too aggressive. It actually kind of looks good, to my surprise, compared to the other side. like it. This thing is ready to slide. I did some more work on the car. Not too much. You guys didn't miss anything interesting. But all 4 are on. And I took off the louvers. This thing was the terrible, terrible time to clean. I still have to hit it one more time. And I'll show you guys the design on the other side. This is the design I'm talking about. Like I said before, I don't have an issue with American flags on your quarter windows, but this one is stupid. It's got a bunch of tears in it, like bad. I'm badass. I'm American. It's not what I'm trying to do with this car, so I'm gonna take that off and yeah, drift spec for sure. Sheesh. Ta-da. This side's coming up a lot easier than the other side. Just gotta be careful when you get to these corners. Ugh, smells. Too bad looking, man. Like, I actually kind of dig it. I'm considering putting some tire lettering on the tires just to be a dingus, but we'll see. Man, it is so good looking. I'm so surprised how nice it looks. Them are cheap wheels too. Like, man, that's cool. That is definitely cool. Alright, well, man, this is it. This is like version 2 of this car. It looks incredible, man. I truly like this look, and it's not like expensive to look like this. I didn't do any more drifting. I drifted it around a little bit, and it was a mess. It was terrible. I'm not gonna say I did good at all. We have a lot of work to do. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching. You know, like, subscribe, you get the idea. I'm just being a YouTuber. And take it easy.